Hi, today I will show you how to create a shimmering, glowing effect. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. First, now we are looking for BCC glints here from the effect preset. Before I went further, make sure you had download the Boris effect for After Effects. Now as you can see, there's little sparkles already appear at certain area like here. And actually if you're already applying this effect, the other is just adjusting its like brightness, its width, or the color and everything. And there's two types of shapes here, but I like the straight ones. And also you can adjust the setting by using the circles here. Each circles has a different purpose, just try to play with one another. Okay, this is my settings. Feel free to copy paste each of my settings, and this is the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!